highlights they listed GoDaddy, which aims to help founders start, grow, and scale their businesses, reported its second quarter earnings on Thursday after the market closed. It was headlined by more than 8% year-on-year sales growth. And joining me now with more is Mark McCaffrey, GoDaddy's CFO. Mark, thank you so much for joining us early this morning over there on the West Coast.
Thanks for having me, Kristen. Always good to talk to you.
Likewise. So let's walk through these results. What stood out to you?
Yeah, listen, our strategy is working, right? We are reaching the customers, the high intent customers that are coming in with an intent to do something. They want to be online. They want to increase their presence. They want to be able to reach other markets themselves. And that's showing up in our higher conversion rates. It's showing up in our higher average order size, our retention for that cohort where customers are spending more than $500 with us is increasing. So I would say from a micro business, which is where we specialize in the micro businesses, the entrepreneurs, the people who are having their ideas, people are passionate about what they want to do. We're seeing it show up in our numbers in the front of the funnel. It's strong, the conversions are great, and we see a lot of promise going forward. And now that we've introduced Arrow into market for a period of time now, we're seeing the effects of AI really helping this market, and we feel really strong about it.
Mm-hmm. What do these results tell us about the current quarter? What is your outlook, and how is the activity that you've seen so far in the current period?
Yeah, these are strong results. We're coming ahead of where we thought we were going to be for the year. The market's strong. We're seeing top line growing. We're seeing profitability growing. We're right on the mark. We exceeded guidance for our revenue for the quarter. We raised our guidance for free cash flow going forward. We continue to see strength in this market. Again, we are focused on the micro businesses and the entrepreneurs, and they continue to be a resilient group. 72% of them feel very good about their prospects out there, and they're feeling better about the overall macro conditions, and that's showing up in our results, and it showed up in our results for the second quarter.
Mm-hmm. I do want to talk about your entrepreneurship survey. It happens on a quarterly basis. That's my understanding. Recent results are out. What do these results show?
Yeah. So, to put this in perspective, we've been doing this for almost 30 years now through numerous cycles, and we've seen, ups and downs within the marketplace, and we see a consistency that entrepreneurs, and we're talking, mom and pop shops, we're talking, the store you go down the block in your local neighborhood, they feel very good about their prospects to continue to grow. And that stays constant through all these cycles. What we're seeing now is they feel much, much better about where the economy stands today and their ability to do well in this economy. And that's compared to last quarter when we were seeing a lot of instability in the market and the economy in and of itself.
Yeah, of course, trade policy has been evolving in real time, Mark, but is there anything that this survey and or your conversations, of course, with GoDaddy customers and its community indicate about just how confident and agile these small business owners are moving forward?
Yeah, you said the right word, agile. They are agile and they are passionate about what they want to do, right? And they're looking to use technology to reach more customers in different markets, compete with what we call the bigger players. They want to have more prospects. They want to be everywhere. They want to be able to hustle. And in some cases they have multiple side hustles going on at the same time. So they show a lot of, I would say, resilience, and they show a lot of passion, and they continue to want to be out there and reaching more customers. You think about it, you're an entrepreneur, you're a sole entrepreneur, you're working all day trying to sell to your customers. And at night, you want to be able to respond on social media, make sure your pipeline is still intact. And you need the tools, you need things like Arrow, which is our AI-driven tool, to be able to respond across multiple platforms so you can continue to be successful. And that's what we're seeing in this group. It's agility, resilience, it's passion, and it's a great customer to serve. I always call them, it's the underdogs. And we want to serve the underdogs. We want to make them more successful. And as a company, our results are showing that we're succeeding at doing that.
What's next for GoDaddy, Mark?
Yeah, so we hinted at a few things in earnings, and we talked about agentic AI. and we'll have more to come, but we love where we're going. Now, remember, we have over 20 million customers. We've been around a long period of time. We have 14 million interactions with our care organization. We get 1.2 billion data signals from our customers every day. And our ability to turn that into useful knowledge for our customers through our AI tool, Arrow, we call it AIRO. This is going to continue to grow. It's going to continue to evolve. We're at the front of this. We're very proud of our ability to innovate, and we will continue to innovate. And I have to tell you, I am looking forward to really getting out there and talking about agentic AI and what we can do for the micro businesses out there.
Mark McCaffrey, GoDaddy CFO. Mark, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Kristen.